Here I have Honor 10 Lite, and let me show you how to enter here the download mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's hold down the power key, choose here power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then you need to prepare the micro USB connected to your PC. Here I have such a cable. So now all you need to do is simply start holding volume down and volume up. Let's hold down simultaneously those two keys, volume down and volume up. Keep holding those two keys and connect your device by using the micro USB cable. Let's keep holding both keys. And that's it. Now you can disconnect your keys, and as you can see, the device is trying to install the update. So you can now use this mode to install the firmware to flash your device, or if you would like to quit this mode and if you are not installing any update, let's just simply press power key for a long time. Let me show you. Keep holding power button and release power key as soon as phone goes black. Now the device is restarting and rebooting, so let me disconnect my device and let's just wait until the operation will be completed. Alright, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.